we're going to show you how to install a headache rack on a Cat UTV. A headache rack is used to create a metal barrier between the cargo bed and the seats in front of it to protect the operator and the operator station from any debris that may fall in from your cargo bed. The installation is a relatively simple process. The headache rack comes in multiple sections. You subassemble the two vertical sections together, then you subassemble the struts together and install them loosely on the machine, and then finish all of your fasteners after that. But the first step is to drill holes in your cargo bed. You drill 5 holes across the top front of the bed and then 2 holes in either side. For this demonstration, we have already drilled these holes. You can use your parts to identify where the holes are drilled. So now we will connect the 2 halves of the vertical part of the headache rack together. Line up the 2 halves and then connect them with the upper bracket. The 2 sets of tools you need are a T45 torque set on a power driver and a 13mm wrench. Once 2 halves are subassembled, the next step is to subassemble the struts. You want to note that for tool access, a 13mm wrench is needed for the lower fastener on the 2 struts. For this installation, we're going to loosely hand tighten these 4 fasteners. Once subassembled, we will place the headache rack. Then we will hand thread all the fasteners between the headache rack and the cargo bed. There's also a piece of weather stripping that needs to be installed in the center vertical section in the operator station area. Before performing a final tightening of all the fasteners, do a visual inspection to make sure that the headache rack has adequate clearance with the rear of the ROPS. All right. As you can see, the headache rack is best installed with 2 people. This is particularly true for the last step, where it's good to have one person hold the wrench on the nuts and another person inside the operator station with the power driver. That concludes the headache rack installation on the Cat UTV. For more information, please contact your participating UTV cat dealer or visit us at cat.com.